Juicing has become a popular trend among health enthusiasts, and for good reasons. It's an efficient way to consume a variety of fruits and vegetables, providing your body with essential nutrients. Among the numerous juicers available in the market, this Amzchef slow cold press juicer stands out with its innovative features, versatility, and user-friendly design. This review will delve into the specifics of the Amzchef juicer, covering its key features, performance, and overall value. The Amzchef slow cold press juicer boasts a sleek and modern design, available in a sophisticated gray color that complements any kitchen decor. The machine's compact size ensures that it doesn't occupy much counter space, making it ideal for smaller kitchens. The juicer is made from high-quality, food-grade materials, ensuring durability and safety. The parts are BPA-free, which is crucial for maintaining the purity of the juice. One of the standout features of the Amzchef juicer is its flexible 2-speed control. The soft mode operates at 50 to 60 revolutions per minute, perfect for soft and juicy fruits and vegetables like watermelon, orange, grape, celery, and cucumber. On the other hand, the hard mode runs at 100 to 110 revolutions per minute, ideal for harder produce like apples, pears, carrots, beets, ginger, and kale. This versatility allows users to maximize juice extraction based on the type of produce they are using. The elegant LED display panel adds a touch of modernity and makes the juicing process more convenient by clearly indicating the mode and operation status. The Amzchef juicer isn't just a juicer. It's a multifunctional appliance that can also work as a meat grinder or slicer shooter with the appropriate attachments sold separately. This versatility means that it can handle a variety of kitchen tasks, reducing the need for multiple appliances and saving valuable counter space. Whether you're juicing, grinding meat, or shredding vegetables, the Amzchef juicer is designed to handle it all efficiently. The slow masticating technology of the Amzchef juicer operates at a low speed, which reduces heat buildup and oxidation. This technology helps to preserve the maximum nutrients from fruits and vegetables, ensuring that you get a glass of juice that is not only delicious but also rich in vitamins and minerals. The small feeding chute design further enhances this by minimizing the oxidation of ingredients during the juicing process. The juice can be stored in the included juice cup and kept fresh in the refrigerator for up to 72 hours. One of the significant advantages of the Amzchef juicer is its quiet operation. The motor operates at less than 60 decibels, ensuring that it doesn't disturb your household, even when used early in the morning. The one-button disassembly design makes it easy to take the juicer apart for cleaning. Additionally, the package includes a cleaning brush, making the cleaning process straightforward and hassle-free. All detachable parts are dishwasher safe, which adds to the convenience. For those who love to take their juice on the go, the Amzchef juicer includes 500 milliliters travel bottles. These bottles are perfect for taking fresh juice to work, on a picnic, or to the gym. This feature ensures that you can enjoy fresh juice and maintain your healthy lifestyle no matter where you are. The Amzchef juicer delivers excellent performance with its powerful and efficient motor. The juicer can extract up to 90% of the juice from fruits and vegetables, leaving behind dry pulp. This high yield ensures that you get the most out of your produce. The reverse function is particularly useful as it helps to prevent clogs and makes juicing a smoother process. Whether you're making green juice from leafy vegetables or refreshing fruit juice, the Amzchef juicer handles it with ease. Amzchef stands behind its products with a comprehensive 12-month warranty and lifetime support. If you encounter any issues with the juicer, the support team is ready to assist you and solve any problems within 24 hours. This commitment to customer satisfaction adds significant value to the purchase and ensures peace of mind. Conclusion: the Amzchef slow cold press juicer is a versatile and efficient appliance that is perfect for anyone looking to incorporate more fresh juice into their diet. Its dual speed control, quiet operation, and easy to clean design make it a standout choice in the market. The additional features, such as the ability to work as a meat grinder or slicer shitter and the inclusion of travel bottles, add to its overall value. With its durable build and nutrient-preserving technology, the Amzchef juicer is a worthwhile investment for any health-conscious individual. If you're in the market for a high-quality, multifunctional juicer, the Amzchef Slow Cold Press Juicer should be at the top of your list. Its combination of performance, versatility, and ease of use makes it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Enjoy the benefits of fresh, nutrient-rich juice every day with the Amzchef juicer. Invest in the Amzchef Slow Cold Press Juicer and take a significant step towards a healthier lifestyle today. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth reviews.